Okay, so our father dear no arrived no for the last time. So muna na yung situation. Okay. And
Pwede may makaulam sa electric pan? Sige. Salamat. Okay. Okay. Hindi pwede sa outside.
so first niya nga lakaw no nakabalik, second nakabalik, third nakabalik, fourth nakabalik no, but it's okay. Okay, so inanan, so welcome home father dear no. So mo stay ta diri og mga 3 to 4 days, and then Monday no, so ihatod na to siya no sa iyang last nga pahimutangan pud si Papa. Okay, and see you no by the next day. Okay, so thanks for the whole family no, the whole team, thank you so much. So bye bye now, see you Amlan later. Okay, bye bye no, God bless, bye bye.